Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rear-graded Rams, and now we buy a Ram. Just wanted to show you one of the trucks on our lot. It's a 2018 Ram 3500, so let's take a peek. Under the hood, you're going to have your 6.7-liter diesel engine. It does have the aftermarket grill, aftermarket bumpers, some tow hooks, a whole bunch of pods, fuel rims. Oh, I don't know why I'm blanking. What size lift is it? You're going to have fuel rims, 37-inch tires, a BDS Lift. It does have a full wrap on it, obviously. It's black underneath if you don't want the wrap. Aftermarket bumper in the rear, hitch receiver, wiring, backup camera, and it is a long box, but other than that, we're going to pop into the truck and check it out. Inside the truck, it is fully loaded. You're going to have full leather seats. These are heated and cooled. Then you got some floor mats down below, a little bit of storage up top, and a glove box down below. 8.4-inch screen with the Alpine sound system and nav. Super easy to use. Put an address in, it'll automatically save it. You can also get Sirius XM on this truck if you want. Dual climate control, you can use the screen or the buttons and the dial down here. All the buttons for your heated and cooled seats right there, as well as quick access on the screen. Trailer brake controller, front and rear park sensors, 4-wheel drive, 115 volt, a little bit of storage here, and then more right there. And then, of course, you do have a sunroof, but other than that, we're going to pop into the back seat and check it out. In the back seat, leather seats again. These are heated on either side. Same floor mats down below with storage underneath on either side. Storage in behind either seat, too, plus some cup holders there and right down below. These do fold up. You got some subs underneath, a little bit of lighting. Rear sliding window, and that whole thing's heated as well. But other than that, if you want to make this truck yours, you can give us a call at 780-942-3629.
I'm Rear Grady Pam, and I approve this message.